in this quick video, I'm just gonna show you how to clean the steering wheel. As you can see on camera, it's very grimy, very nasty. I want to make it look more original, like leather's supposed to look. So I'm actually gonna clean it using this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Very good for this, believe it or not. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it turns out. I actually did film this when the steering wheel was off the car that I was fixing the clock spring. So I figured it'd be easier to do it now than on the car, but you can do this on the car and you need to take the steering wheel off for this. Look at this. That is disgusting. On camera, but now it looks a little worn as expected. Steering wheel from 1992, but it doesn't have that grease and shine and grime on it anymore. Now I'll take some leather conditioner, put it on there, and it'll look a million times better. Okay, so I got the steering wheel nice and clean. It does have show some aging. You know, it is old steering wheel. Other than replacing the leather completely, it's not gonna come back to life, but I am going to try to put some of this dash steering wheel. It's kind of leather vinyl conditioner with UV protection. I'll put some on and see how it looks. So I'll put some of the dressing on, the conditioner. Put some of the conditioner on, and I'm just wiping it off. Just buff it out, see how it looks. Not going to be perfect, but for such an old steering wheel, I don't think it's that bad. Other than recovering it with brand new leather. Let's take a look from a little farther away. I don't think it looks that bad. Maybe in the future I'll get it recovered, but for now, it's pretty good. It's the first item I detail in this car. Later on, when it gets warmer, I'm actually going to do the whole interior carpet and everything, but now we got a clean steering wheel at least. So thank you for watching this short video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.